every culture, every civilization basically uses everything that is unique to them, their language, the things they see in their natural environment, their spirituality, to basically grow themselves, grow the things that they've been accustomed to, grow their environment, grow their, technologically advanced or spiritually advanced. But this particular thing is as if in Igbo land it does not exist. The things that we have within our immediate environment, we basically use them not for something meaningful, but basically we use them to either suppress one another or basically use dangerous principles to manipulate or manifest our intentions, which are basically focused on material things or materialism. Like we basically exist in a society where if you don't have money, if you don't have cars, if you don't stay